How to play YouTube's free games, YouTube Playables. In this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube's free games using YouTube Playables. This feature lets you enjoy a variety of games directly inside the YouTube app without downloading anything. Start by opening the YouTube app on your Android phone, iPhone, or visit YouTube in your web browser. Tap the Compass or Explore tab, then look for Playables. If you don't see it there, tap your profile picture, then check whether the Playables option is available in the menu. If you can't find the Playables section, make sure your YouTube app is updated. The feature is being rolled out gradually, so it may not be available in every region or on every account yet. That's it. You've successfully learned how to play YouTube's free games with YouTube Playables. If you find this video informative, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.